Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox this. This I've got from Mivi.com, sorry, the Mivi.in, and it's a wireless Bluetooth headset, and its name is Mivi Coller. It's famous for Mumbiker Nikhil. He uses it. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, so this is the box. Mivi Coller Bluetooth earphones, Mivi branding over here. You can see the earphone in the graphics. Okay, in this side it's written Coller, nothing in this side. This side it is written let the music play. And let's come to the back side. In back side it says 10 hours of playtime, super solid bass, magnetic lock, 4.1 Bluetooth version, CVC noise cancellation, which is good, ergonomic design for secure fit in ears, nice, haptics codec, HD stereo sound, hands-free calling, and many other things are written. Maybe it's created with something like this. So let's talk about the price. In here it's printed for 999, but I've got this for 2459. Let's unbox this. Okay, let's break the seal. The seal is over here and over here, so it's sealed. Okay, the moment of truth. Ta-da! And that's how it looks. It looks good. So we got the Mivi Coller right here. The Mivi Coller headphone is right here. It's very sleek. So let's put it aside and let's see what's inside. We got a micro USB cable for charging. And this is a foam that keeps the headphone safe, which is good. Packaging is too good. Packaging, thumbs up for packaging. And some earbuds and a user manual, and I think we don't need that user manual. Let's talk about this. This is this Mivi Coller. It's for left and it's for right, and it's magnetic, as you can see. It sticks right in, and this one also is very secure, and and this also gets locked. Yep. We got the micro USB port over here for charging. There's a power button and maybe multifunctional button for receiving calls. This is volume up and this is volume down. Let's power it on. So it vibrates when it powers on and it blinks this. And now I'm gonna connect it to my mobile. There you go. The Mivi collar is visible. So I'm pairing. So it's paired. That's how easy it is. Okay, so that's how it's looking in my neck. Yeah, and it blends in with this t-shirt. So that's how it looks when you don't use it. You just drop it, or you can just lock them just like that. It is locked now, you can see that. You can lock them like that, or you can do this thing also. You can put each earbud to his home. It's his little home. And I've been using it from past half an hour and the sound is awesome. I can't even take off it. Like सुनने ही जा रहा हूँ इतना अच्छा साउंड आ रहा है. तो दाम अच्छा है इसलिए साउंड भी अच्छा है, ये तो होना ही था. तो मैंने ये ख़रीदा था मुंबई का निखिल का जो एमएन स्क्वाड का कूपन कोड था, उससे ख़रीदा था, तो इसलिए 500 रुपये का डिस्काउंट हुआ था. तो होपफुली आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो हिट दैट लाइक बटन. एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, आई मेक travel vlogs, I make music videos, I make this kind of reviews also. When I buy things, I make reviews. That's it. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is right down below there, or I'll give it here, a round button here on the corner, and you can watch my other videos in this side. Yep. Bye.